Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. Today I'm back with a fun budget-friendly tutorial for Thanksgiving. I'm going to share how you can create a canvas framed farmhouse style sign for your mantle or just anywhere in your house with just a few items from Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So what you're going to need for this project is the $1 canvas panel, it's 8 by 10, some carbon paper, my free printable available on my blog. I'll put the link below. Some glue. I'm going to use hot glue for this project because of time, but you can also use wood glue. It just takes a little bit longer. The towering game from Dollar Tree, the furniture scratch markers also from Dollar Tree, a black marker, or a paint marker actually, and a pencil. That's pretty much all you're going to need for this project. If you want to use wood stain, you can use wood stain, but I'm going to use furniture scratch marker just to keep this under $4. So we'll get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is frame this canvas, and you can either frame it with your bricks laying flat like this, or you can have them raised up like this. I went ahead and created the frame already ahead of time, and it looks like this, and basically all I did was glue the ends together to create this frame. So we can put these aside since we don't need those, and we can go ahead and move on to the staining. I'm going to go ahead and use the walnut colored furniture scratch marker. It's going to take a little bit for me to cover all the sides of the wood, but like I said, it's going to keep us on budget and it's super easy. So basically all I'm doing is just painting the wood with this marker. There you go. Super simple. I love the finish on this. It really gives it, like I said, that rustic look. Next step, what we're going to need is the canvas. Go ahead and put the carbon paper on top. Next thing we're going to do is just get a pencil and trace. Okay, and so you can lift up your paper, kind of get an idea how you did. You can line it up a little bit more if you feel like you need to color in some more areas. So once you're happy and you think that's a good starting point, you can go ahead and remove your carbon paper and the template. And then what we're going to do is get our black paint marker, and then we're just going to trace. And that's it. Pretty simple, as you can see. Pretty close to the original. And next thing we're going to do is go ahead and frame it. So we'll do that just by adding hot glue around the frame. That's it. Super simple project for you to create. You don't need any special machinery or any type of cutting machines or anything like that. All you need is my free printable available on my blog, and that's linked below. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.